13 Roman to integer. There is given a symbol and a value, and here is given a string. You have to convert them into an integer form. This is the Roman value and you have to return its integer value. So let's do this. First you have to create an ordered map which will stored character as well as their integer value, which is MP. I don't want to waste your time, so I just already written it. So first you have to insert mp.insert I and their value with 1, key and value. The first value is key and their second value is value, their key value pair. Okay, so let's do this. First you have to create the answer, which is 0. This will store the answer in integer form and then traverse through the string for int I equals to 0 and I less than s dot size and then I plus plus. You have to check the condition. If I equals to s dot size minus 1, then you just have to answer plus equals to mp of s of I. You just have to do this. If there is only one value, you just have to return the value pair, and if it is not, then you just have to check the condition. Else if mp of s of I is greater than or equals to mp of s of I plus 1, then you just have to answer plus equals to mp of s of I. Okay, else if it is not, then you just have to answer minus equals to mp of s of I. Okay, and after this condition you just have to return the answer. Let's run this code. Yeah, this works fine. Let's submit it. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.